Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, we are doing the Boxycharm premium unboxing slash try on for the month of June. So if you want to see what I got in my premium Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I got in my box is from Living Proof, and this is the Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection Protective Styling Hairspray. That is what it looks like. It is a pretty decent size. It has 5.5 ounces and it retails for $28, which I guess because it's a good brand makes sense. Would I pay $28? It depends on how it works. I have to try it. My hair is kind of straight. I guess I could use it again to re-straighten my hair. As you can see, it is a bit wavy. So I might use it in this video. I'm not sure yet. The next thing that I got in my box is from Tarte. This is the High Performance Naturals Tarteist Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. Wow, why do these products have such long names? So this is what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $49. That is quite expensive, so these colors and the pigment better show out. I'm assuming this is the colors, which looks like quite a bit of shades. Oh, that's cool. It's one of those palettes that shift, like when you move it. That's freaking cool. So it does have a nice sized mirror, and this is what the shades look like. So 20 shades, nice sized palette. There are a lot of shimmers and metallics in here. Like all the circle ones are metallic shimmer shades. The entire first and last row shimmer shades. The only mattes is this black, this like cool tone brown, and this like nude shade. So this should be pretty interesting, but overall it is a pretty nice palette, has a nice weight to it. Next, I got the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. It's moisturizing plus firming. That's what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $49 as well. That is quite expensive for a sleeping mask, if you ask me. So this better have me waking up looking like Pocahontas or something. This is what the actual product looks like. It does have a nice little plastic seal. It doesn't smell like avocado, but it looks like it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Most likely I won't be able to try this on camera, so I will try to keep you updated in the description box down below. Next, I got the Billion Dollar Brows Brush, or Billion Dollar Brushes, which I'm assuming is from Billion Dollar Brows, like the brand. This is the Sculpting Duo Brush. It does come with a nice little plastic over it. This brush retails for $30, which is a bit expensive. I don't know if I would pay $30 for a dual-ended brush. The bristles do feel nice and soft. The packaging is pretty simple, but I don't know. We'll see how it works. Next, I got the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Call Me, and this retails for $26. NARS is quite expensive, so that is to be expected. And this is what the shade looks like. It smells pretty good. And then the last product in the box is from Grace and Stella. It says it's like an energy drink for your face mask, an anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask. And it comes with 6 masks. It's quite big. It's literally larger than my head. And this retails for $25 for 6 masks. And this is what one of the masks look like. They look quite thick and like jelly, so super excited to use this. I will again try to keep you updated down below. So let's move on to trying the products that I can try, which is going to be the Billion Dollar Brush, the NARS Lip Pigment thing, and the eyeshadow palette. So I will do my eyebrows off camera and prime my lids, and I will be right back. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to take is called Mixed Media, which is this nude, like skin tone shade, just to set down my concealer. A lot of kick up in the pan. I also did use the black to fill in my eyebrows, and I think it looks pretty good. So the next shade I'm going to take is the next matte shade, which is called Wall Art, which is that like cool toned brown, and throw that in the crease using the same brush. Then I'm going to throw a little bit of the black on the outer corner. So I'm going to just use the rest of the concealer that's on the brush that I was using for my eyebrows and cut the crease. So then I'm going back in with that brown shade to tap over the edge so everything looks nice and blended. Then I'm going to take the shade called Moonlight, which is the shade right here. It's a nice like champagne type of gold. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. This is what it looks like dry. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to try wetting it on this eye. So I will be right back. I'm going to do everything up to bronzer so that you guys can see me use this brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the bigger side of the brush and bronze using my Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded in the shade Long Weekend. So it does pick up quite a bit of product. And I'm going to take the smaller side and contour / bronze my nose. So I'm going to finish the rest of the face off and then I will come back with lips. So before I move on to lips, I forgot to do my lower lash line. So I did already add some of that brown, the matte brown on the lower lash line. So I think I'm just going to leave that like that and blow it out a bit. And then for the inner corner highlights, I think I want to add a pop of color as far as these shimmers go. So I think I'm going to do this maroon red shade down here called Graffiti, since the lip is a bit more on the reddish side. And I'm just going to pop that right here. That looks a bit intense, so I think I'm going to go over it with this like really bright gold called Outside the Lines. So now I will finish everything off camera and then come back with lips. So I did line my lips with the Revlon Color Stay lip liner in the shade Raisin, which is like a berry tone. So now I'm going in with the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Call Me. And it looks quite coral, so I'm hoping it's not. Oh, but that is. Wow, that is pink. Holy. Alright, I'm going to try to dab a nude in the center and tone this down a bit, and then I will be back with my final thoughts on everything that I used and received in the box. Okay, so this is the completed look. Let's get into my thoughts on everything. Okay, so for the first parts, everything that I didn't get to use, you guys know, the Living Proof hair protectant, the Glow Recipe avocado sleeping mask, and the big face mask, I could not use on camera. Again, I'll try to keep you updated down below. So for the products that I did use, the brush is okay. Would I spend $30 on a dual-ended brush like this? No, I don't think I would ever spend $30 on any type of brush. So that is just my opinion, but it does work and I'm going to use it because I have it. The NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. This is just not my shade. The formula seems to be okay, but I did wipe it off and apply something a little bit more toned down. This was just way too out there. I might be able to use it for like a liner maybe. I don't know, but not my shade. And the Tortise Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. The color seems to be really, really pretty. Blended out really okay. This look is very, very cool toned. I tried to work with what I had. I only had 3 mattes out of the palette, and overall they seem to be pretty pigmented. The shimmers work a lot better when they're wet, and I think you get a nice variety of shades in the palette. But what I paid $49 for this palette, no, there's just way too many shimmers, not enough mattes. It's just not my preferred ratio of matte to shimmer metallics. So yeah, that is my thoughts on everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I hope that you are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.